Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this rolling wagon. This is a really nice wagon. It's a really good size. It's got 360 wheels on the front. You've got your handle right here that actually stays in place. I've had other carts that the handle just falls right down. So that's really nice that it stays in place. And it goes down to the 90 degrees, and it can stay at whatever angle you leave it at. Folds right out so you can easily carry it this way, be able to have it. You did want to carry it in, all you've got to do is grab this center part and it collapses right in. It only weighs 13 pounds. So I can hold it up one finger. So that is really not that heavy at all. And then when you want to use it, you just push that center part down. Now this holds 220 pounds in this cart. And this just folds right over like that. You've got all your pieces in here. So you can easily put things, if you're going to the pool, to the beach, you can grab all your things on here. Because these all-terrain wheels can go on all sorts of different surfaces, and it moves and glides really easy as you're walking around. There's no noise, and it just kind of comes with you. The handle does have little finger grips on here, so that helps out a lot. And then, if you did have children that didn't want to walk, because of the weight capacity, they could just sit in there, and you can take them for a ride as well.